Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Amanda. So today I am doing my fitness routine. I have been so into working out and being healthy, and you guys have seen my prep for Miami, my swim week vlogs. So you've kind of been up to date, but I want to do like a proper fitness routine and like what I do, what I eat, what I wear, the whole thing. So this video is sponsored by Care of, and I'm so excited to work with them on this video because it's actually something that I'm super interested in and I use every day. So I've been into taking vitamins and supplements to help me on like a health fitness journey. I was buying a bunch of different vitamins, then I have all of these bottles of them, and it's just too much, and honestly kind of a mission to make sure I take them all so that I would not take them as much as I should be. So with Care of, I am so happy for this. It's in the cutest little box ever, and they're pre-packaged of the vitamins that you need, tailored to your body and your health fitness needs. So you take a little quiz online. They ask you questions about how much you work out, like are you interested in vitamins, do you know much about them, like what are your concerns? And for example, I bruise so easily, so Kara recommended me taking iron. Maybe it will help that. It's like, I swear I can just like bump into something and then I get like a huge bruise, and my legs always look crazy, and it's like my stylist will be like, make sure you put some makeup on your legs before you walk the carpet. The packaging is compostable, so it's really sustainable. I love that about it. It has my name on it. It's for me, and there's actually like a fun fact every day on these. You can get 25% off your first month using my code AmandaS, and I'll link it down below. So I'm gonna start off with like my protein smoothie. Because I don't eat meat, I have to make sure that I am getting a lot of protein, especially trying to build the muscles and to give me energy and be alive. I got this Vitamix from my mom for my 20th birthday, and I'm so excited. She was like, you're 20 years old and you asked for a Vitamix. You asked for a blender for your birthday. I learned this recipe for the smoothie from Fit with Pain Breathe. What I do, take some frozen banana. I would just recommend like taking your bananas now and like cutting them up and freezing them. The more banana you use is gonna make it like a more creamy texture. So I do that, and then I take 2 scoops of the chocolate powder. Then I do some cacao nibs. This gives it a lot of texture, which I love, and like what I love about this smoothie is that it has a lot of texture. Then you'll put some peanut butter or almond butter, whatever you like. I think that peanut butter just tastes better in it. Yummy. You'll add some cinnamon. Ooh. Then dates to make it sweet, and I don't know where dates have been my entire life because these are like the best discovery. I think I never had them because they were like really scary looking. They look like cockroaches, but they're delicious and sweet and natural. I get these like already pitted ones from Whole Foods, so I put like 2 in there. And then I'm using some oat milk, new fade milk, and also it'll make your smoothie like thicker and just more like a milkshake. Add some of that. If you want to make it like a bigger meal feeling, like if you want to eat more of it but have the same nutritional value, just put some ice in it. It makes it more like a smoothie, makes it thicker, and it makes more yumminess to eat. So now I'm going to blend this up, and I'm using my little stick so that I can make it thick and I make sure everything gets blended. Oh, so good. Like you saw, those were all healthy ingredients and it tastes like a milkshake. So even if you want like dessert, go for this. And like, look at that. I made it so thick, literally slim thick. And this actually like keeps you full for so long. To get some muscles. So here's the smoothie. It's so good, and like making it so thick like this, it's literally like a Frosty, like from Wendy's. Like crunch from the cacao nibs are amazing. I swear you guys just have to try it out because it does taste like ice cream, and I feel like it's easy to just say that, but like seriously.
It's like mousse. I want that every morning.
I know, right? So basically this is the best protein shake you could ever make. Done. So this is what I like to wear to the gym or like when I'm working out, but this set is from Set Active, and I just got their stuff, and it's honestly amazing because the way that it's designed like lifts your butt, like holds in your stomach. It's just like super flattering. Oh my god, guys, I'm literally popping in here to say I am wearing those shorts backwards, and I am an idiot because I'm talking about how amazing they are sculpted to your booty, and I'm literally wearing them backwards. But I promise they are great when you wear them correctly. So I'm gonna show you what I do for like my home workouts. Sometimes I just wanna like fit something in super quick, or I don't wanna see people. So you start out like with some cardio. So you'll do 10 jumping jacks, 10 jump rope moves, and 10 high knees. Just get your heart going because that's when you like burn the most fat. And then you'll do 3 rounds of 3 exercises. So basically you'll do 10 reps of an ab workout, 10 reps of like a tricep workout, and then like 10 reps of a booty workout. And doing that 3 times with doing the cardio in between just gives you like a great workout. When you finish that, you know that you've done your part, you've done your workout. So I'm gonna show you 3 of my favorite ab workouts and then other body part workouts as well, but I'm not gonna go full out because I'm about to go to the gym right now, so I'm just gonna show you what I do. So I like to focus my abs on the sides, that way that it makes your waist kind of go in, like pulling it in. So I love to do these bicycle crunches. If you're working yourself too hard, I like to do this one because it's a little bit easier. Just move side to side and touch your heels. And I love these kind of plank variations. You can just hold your plank for like 30 seconds, a minute, but doing the side dips like this focuses on your waist. So these bands are really good for your booty. You can buy them on Amazon, or I'm sure you can find them in store, but Amazon's best. So you'll put it around your thighs like this and lift up. You don't need the band to do this, it just is a little bit extra resistance. And also when you've been doing these for a while, holding it at the top and like pulsing down little ones help, like pulsing like this. Again, you don't need the band for this either, it's optional, but I like to do these fire hydrant ones where you just lift your leg up. And these floor butt workouts really help with just targeting the butt instead of like full butt and thighs. So we're getting that nice booty with like lean legs. Pulsing up, just all of these. And using the band for squats too helps. I also like to do the crab walk. For arms, tricep dips, I like to focus on this muscle here, your tricep, because that's usually where it's this. So building the muscle there and just doing these. So I like to take these weights. I just have these 5-pound weights and I'll do circles like this, which I would always do in like bar class. I've been working on my shoulders a lot recently because making a stronger shoulder will make more of an hourglass figure. If you're like me and you kind of have like a straight figure, if you're working on your shoulders, then it makes a kind of like illusion that your waist goes in smaller, your shoulders are bigger. I'll just do things like this, lifting up. And I heard in Pilates that you don't want to like touch like this if you're a girl, because that will kind of build muscle up here. And that's more of like a guy thing when they have these popping strong muscles on the neck and you want to have a nice, cute little dainty neck. And then also for triceps, I like to do these where you push back. And I'll just do one at a time, one arm at a time. Or I will do this where I hold both of the weights and just bring it up. I also sometimes like to use these sliders. It kind of mimics Pilates. So still working on the sides of our abs, bringing the waist in. I like to do this move that I've done a lot in Pilates. I'll cross one foot over the other. Put your hands on the ground. And then just use your abs to pull your legs in. Don't scratch your floors. So you can use the sliders to the side like this for your legs and your butt. You can also go back. So those are the at-home workouts I do. I always like to work out in front of a mirror just so I know that I'm getting like the right form. And it's also inspiring when you're seeing your muscles contract and you see a little bit of progress and you're like, yes. So post-workout, I always hate having to wash my hair after working out because I just washed it the day before or that morning, and I just feel like it's ruining my hair. So I realized what the best way to deal with this is this apple cider vinegar hair wash from DPU. Sometimes I would just be like, well, I mean, I only sweat like a little bit up here. I'll just wash my body and just leave it, because I didn't want to just like kill my hair by washing it every single day. So this is what fixed the problem for me. It's just a nice little rinse through your hair. You use in the shower. You don't need shampoo or conditioner if you're using this. So just a little tip for you guys that are starting your workout journey or already have this problem from working out, or even if you're like playing sports or whatever it is and you don't want to wash your hair like every single day, even though you got to do something about it. This is it. You can get it at Sephora, Ulta, Nordstrom. Also in the shower, I make sure to exfoliate and shave my body to prep for my tan. I am a pale, pale girl. Catch on to it right here. It's like I will feel kind of insecure being like, oh my gosh, I'm working out so hard and I'm not seeing many results. I don't feel good. And then I put a tan on and I'm like, just kidding. I've been using Saint Tropez Extra Dark. I was kind of scared to use the extra dark one, but like since I came back from Miami, we had the darkest tans ever and loved every second of it. This is my favorite brand. I've tried other brands. This one just really does the job, and I've been using it for a while. Not this one specifically, the extra dark isn't new to me, but I've been using the other ones for a long time. It's like something in the household, like Saint Tropez has to go with us on vacation anytime we're traveling. Bring it with us. We can't leave without this, guys. And my one last fitness tip for you guys, I am loving this Celsius energy drink. It's like a healthy energy drink. It says accelerates metabolism, burns body fat. It just feels better than like a Red Bull. Ew, that's like horrible for you. It's a healthy energy drink. I don't know what the science is behind it, but it's good for working out. It's supposed to be good for you. It makes me feel awake, energized. I definitely like to drink this before I work out because it gets you like pumped up and like ready to do like all these reps. I also just use it throughout the day when I want a little energy boost. So that was my workout fitness routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more fitness videos. Comment down below what you're interested in. Although I do like to actually work out and work hard for the body, I also do some beauty treatments to kind of accelerate that, which I'm going to show you guys later on. So get ready, stay tuned for the crazy body treatments I do for fitness. So thanks again for watching. Bye. Have a friend get your back for you because I can never get it. Oh, that's really not good. Let's just spray some self-tanner everywhere. It's a little demo here.